Hello children and welcome to your channel Sharda Educare, and in this video we will be learning the 8th series of Circle, 8th video of Circle series from standard 9th practice set 6.3, and here we will be learning to construct the incircle of a triangle. Let's begin children, but be ready with your compass, pencil, scale, protector and eraser. Let's start children. So, as it is a video of incircle of a triangle children, first of all we should know what is incircle. What is this incircle? In previous class we have verified the property that the angle bisectors of the triangles are concurrent. Angle bisectors are concurrent and we denote the point of concurrence by I. Now you can see here one picture where angle A is bisected by this line which I am tracing. Angle B is bisected by violet line, yes, and angle C is bisected by red line. Wherever all these three lines are meeting, that point is one point, and from that point we are drawing the perpendicular on AB, perpendicular on BC, okay, and perpendicular on AC. Clear? So, after drawing perpendicular where all the lines, perpendicular lines are meeting, that point is point of concurrence and it is denoted by I. That point is the point of concurrence and that point is denoted by I. Let's move further children. By now you must have understood that angle A is bisected by this line, angle B is bisected by violet line, angle C is bisected by red line, and they all meet at one point, and from that point you draw the perpendicular at AB, perpendicular at BC, perpendicular at AC, and where all those perpendicular lines meet with one another, that point is called as point of concurrence. Let's move further children. The first example of incircle from your textbook of standard 9th. The example says, construct one triangle PQR such that, let us draw a triangle PQR, okay, such that PQ is 6 and angle Q is 35 degree. PQ is 6 and angle Q is 35 degree. Line QR is 5.5. Draw incircle of triangle PQR. So, we need to draw an incircle, means the circle inside this triangle, so that all the sides of the circle of the triangle touch the circle, and this is known as incircle. Yes, PQ is given 6 centimeter. So, take PQ as 6 centimeter and then at Q draw 35 degree angle and then take 5.5 arc and you get a triangle and then draw an incircle. How you are going to draw an incircle? By bisecting the angle. When you bisect the angle and from the point where the lines are intersecting, From that point you draw the perpendicular. After drawing the perpendicular, this will be considered as radius. Okay, let's do this on the notebook. Let's start, children. We will have to take the line, draw a line on the line, take one point, say this point as P35 exactly, take the scale, join these 2 points, measure again, yes it is 35, children, 35 degree. Now take 5.5, this is 5.5, children we can see very clearly it is 5.5. Now keep the compass pointer at Q and give an arc, join this point and this point, this is your R. Now we have to bisect any two angle. Let me bisect this angle. Give an arc of any length. Then keep your pointer at one of the point here. Give an arc here, and then join these 2 points, this point and this point. Bisect this angle. Keep the pointer here. It is more than half of the arc. Give an arc here. Keep the pointer here and give an arc here. This is the point where both the arcs are intersecting. Join this point. This arc and this arc is intersecting over here. Yes. Join it. And wherever these 2 lines are intersecting one another, that point, from that point we must draw perpendicular line on any of the line. Let me draw perpendicular line here. More than half it is. Give an arc here. Join this point. This line and this line is, yes, join this. This distance is known as the radius of the incircle, perpendicular distance. Very nice circle has come. Incircle, children, you can see very clearly. This is how we complete the incircle. This was an example. Let us move to the exercise for incircle. So children, by construction what we have learnt? We have learnt that circle which touches all the sides of the triangle is called as incircle, and the center of the incircle is known as incenter of the triangle. Suppose here this is angle bisector, this is angle bisector, this is angle bisector, okay, and from here if you draw a perpendicular bisector, or from here you draw a perpendicular bisector, the point where these perpendicular bisector are meeting, that point is the point which is concurrent point. Okay, and the point which is inside, and you can draw a circle which touches all the three sides of the triangle is known as incircle. Incircle. And the center is known as in center. Let's move further, children. So, triangle ABC, angle B is 100 degree and BC is 6.4. Angle B is 100. C is 50 degree. So, this point would be a point and we need to construct a incircle. Incircle means the circle which touches all the three sides of the triangle. Rough diagram. Draw a line and mark a point which is B. Locate that point. Now from B 6.4 centimeter this is C point and it is 6.4. Yes, exactly, it is 6.4 centimeter, children. Now keep your protractor at point B and take 100 degree. This is 100 degree here. From here 10, 20, 90 and then 100. From here you should go. Now join these 2 points which you have marked. Draw the line and check the angle again for accuracy, whether you have taken the point correctly or not. Yes, exactly, it is 100 degree, children. So I can mark here 100 degree. Now at point C you will have to take 50 degree. This is your 50 degree. Now join this point, 2 points C and the mark point which is 50 degree and extend that line. Now we need to draw bisectors, angle bisectors. Keep the pointer at point C, give an arc. Keep your pointer at this point and give an arc. Keep here and give an arc. Now locate this point where both the arcs are intersecting. With the help of pencil, join these 2 points. Okay. After this, take this point and of desired length you give an arc. Keep the pointer here. Give an arc here. Keep the pointer here. Give an arc here. Now wherever these 2 arcs are cutting, this arc and this arc are cutting here. Join these 2 points. Also, I would like to bisect the third angle, children, because sometimes 2 angles bisection may not give you the proper reading, proper radius. So I always see that bisect the third angle also. For incircle only, join these 2 points and this line is cutting over here. So check whether your incircle can be drawn or not. See, we have got incircle. Very beautiful incircle we have got, children. Okay. I have taken this line and this line intersecting point. This was checking, but before drawing the circle, you should always draw a perpendicular line. From the point where the lines are intersecting, angle bisectors are intersecting. This is more than half. Give an arc here and give an arc here. Join this point and this point. This is your perpendicular line and this is your radius. Okay. So we are done with the practice set 6.3 first sum. 6.3 first sum. Let us move for the next sum. Practice set 6.3, the third sum. We have to construct triangle XYZ. Rough diagram, children. Such that XY is 6.7. YZ is 5.8. And XZ is 6.9. It is so easy to draw this triangle. So first you will take XY. Now we will do the construction and we have to draw the incircle. We have to draw the circle which is inside the triangle. Let us first mark the points, children. On this line, first I will mark X, and 6.7 at this point. It is Y, 6.7 centimeter. Draw the line. This is your point 6.7. Now from here we will take 5.8. So take the scale and mark the point 5.8. This is 5.8. Give an arc. This side 6.9. Keep at X and 6.9. Now wherever these two arcs are intersecting one another, locate that point and join this point and X. Join, this is Z, children, Z and Y. ZY is 5.8 centimeter. XZ is 6.9 centimeter. We need to draw incircle. So we have to bisect any two angles. Let us bisect this first this Y, angle Y. Keep it here. This should be more than half of the arc. Give an arc here. Keep the pointer here. Give an arc here. Join this point and this point, and this line is known as angle bisector, children. Now, as we are drawing angle bisector, so we have to bisect the angles. So let us take this angle and bisect it. Keep the pointer here. Our should be more than half of the arc. Yes. And give an arc here. Keep the pointer here at this point. Give an arc here. Wherever these two arcs are intersecting, that point should be considered, and join that and that point where arcs are intersecting and X. The lines are meeting at this point. Let me check. If I would draw a circle inside, I am getting an incircle very clearly, children, you can see. Fine, very beautifully I have got the circle. Yes, and this is your incircle. You need to draw a perpendicular line on X, Y. Give an arc here, give an arc here. Between these two arcs, more than half, give an arc this side and give an arc this side. Wherever the lines will join, those two intersecting arc and this point should be joined. This is a perpendicular bisector of XY, but at the same time this line is the radius of the circle. See. Fine. Do the construction as many times as you can. So children, we are done with the Incircle questions from 6.3 practice set of standard 9th. Now in the next video we will be moving with circumcircle, children. Like my video, share my videos, subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed, practice as many times as you can. Do the practice with me when I am doing the construction. Thank you, children, for watching my videos.